Hello, I am Keen. Today we will listen to a story. After listening to the story, I will ask some questions from that. You can answer that in a word or more. This will improve your spoken English and memory strength. Let's begin. There were two friends, Henry and Fernandez. They were working in the Google company. Henry joined there in 2001 and Fernandez in 2003. After working for a long time, Henry felt bored with his work. He told his friend. His friend was bored too. They thought to start their own work. After a year, they started a restaurant together of their own. They are doubtful that if that would be good or not. As they were not good in cooking, Fernandez hired a cook. Customers who visited their restaurant loved the meals. They all were very happy with this. The restaurant was running well and customers had been coming repeatedly. It made Henry and Fernandez earn more money. This is the end of the story. Now, I will ask some questions out of it and you can answer that in a word or more. Let's start. Who were the two friends mentioned in the story? Are they good friends? The true friends mentioned in the story are Henry and Fernandez. Yes, they were good friends. Where were Henry and Fernandez working before starting their own business? Henry and Fernandez were working at the Google company before starting their own business. When did Henry join the Google company? Did he join after Fernandez? Henry joined the Google company in 2001. He joined this company ahead of Fernandez. When did Fernandez join the Google company? Fernandez joined the Google company in 2003. Why did Henry and Fernandez decide to start their own work? Was the salary not good in the company? Henry and Fernandez decided to start their own work because they felt bored with their jobs. The salary was not the issue. What did Henry and Fernandez start together after leaving Google? After leaving Google, Henry and Fernandez started a restaurant together. Why did Henry and Fernandez hire a cook for their restaurant? Had they much amount of money? Henry and Fernandez hired a cook for their restaurant because they were not good at cooking. They hadn't much amount of money. How did customers react to the meals at their restaurant? Would they hate the meals? No. Customers loved the meals at their restaurant. They were very happy with the food. Was the restaurant successful and how did it affect Henry and Fernandez? The restaurant was successful and customers kept coming back, making Henry and Fernandez earn more money. who helped them in the restaurant since they were not good at cooking. Fernandez hired a cook for the restaurant since they were not good at cooking. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you loved the video, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel.